Hello, I'm Alan, your consultant for Big Kaiser products. Today our SW will explain why it's so versatile. SW, are you ready?
Remember me. I am SW, the world's best performing roughing head. Last time I told you that I can perform 2 different roughing methods without additional accessories. Today, I will explain how. Without changing any components, I can perform 2 different roughing methods. The rotationally symmetrical roughing and the double offset roughing. If you want to prepare your holes in the best possible way, call a Big Kaiser colleague and we will be with you in no time.
Thank you, SW, well said. If you would like to know more about our products or just try them yourself, just contact us anytime.